Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, enable developer options, turn on OEM unlocking and USB debugging. These settings permit the bootloader change. Make sure the phone is at least 50% charged and you have a current backup, because unlocking will wipe data. On your PC, install ADB and fastboot tools, then connect the phone with USB and approve the computer's RSA key when prompted. Once done, verify the device appears in a DB Devices and reboot to bootloader with a DB Reboot bootloader before the next step. You now obtain the unlock token and perform the actual unlock. Boot the phone into fastboot mode and run fastboot OEM, get unlock data to extract the device string, copy those lines exactly. If Motorola requires a request, submit that string to receive an unlock token file or code. Back on the PC, use the provided token with fastboot OEM unlock token or fastboot flashing unlock. Follow prompts and confirm. The bootloader will be unlocked and the device will factory reset, which is expected. You finish by rebooting the phone and completing the setup flow, then restore your backup. After first boot, confirm the bootloader state using fastboot OEM device info or settings where available. This ensures unlock succeeded. If you plan to flash custom images, make sure to use compatible images and follow platform-specific flashing steps. Troubleshooting tip: if the device is not recognized or the unlock fails, check USB drivers and cable. Enable USB debugging again, and repeat the fastboot get unlock data and token.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.